This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy in London. Today is July 10th, 2025. Currently, I am watching Bitcoin for a potential short entry. I'll walk you through what I have going on here. So currently, I have this new all-time high here as the current range high right over here, or as the previous range high, and then down here, here's the previous range low. If we come up and take this Fibonacci retracement tool off, you'll see here you get this here. You get this swing low here, and then that swing low gets taken out here. So this would be a market structure shift right here, with this swing low being taken out. So what I've done here is tracking every market structure shift from the swing high. So this is the swing high that causes this market structure shift, and then trail this market structure shift with the Fibonacci tool until price retraces either into the from equilibrium to the optimal trade entry, or down here near the zero here. And you can see since the market structure shift that price action has shifted back to the long side here. So when price closes here, this creates another market structure shift, and then you can see price action continue to trade to, or at least price being delivered to the buy side here, and then here you get another market structure shift here. That's initiated here. And you get this shift, and this shift price action is delivered to sell side here. Then you get another shift here with buy side delivery. So just internal range, you're getting this shift, and then sell side delivery, market structure shift, and then sell side delivery. And the market's just been basically consolidating here in a range, with this being like a double top high, and this being a 1, 2, 3, basically 4, like a 4 contact. I'm calling this just one area here, like a 4 area contact where there are 2 up here. So my entry is at equilibrium. This trade is a 1-to-1 trade from the equilibrium down here to the edge here of the Fibonacci range, with the stop loss back here at the high of the range. I'll walk you through. So this is the order here. Back up. Okay, it's not giving me the a look at the stop loss, but the stop loss is back here. So this would be a 1-to-1 here. Entry here at the 50%, and then an exit here, down here at the 0. Stop loss, as I mentioned, up here, just above the all-time high here. So entry is 111,266.6. So near my entry. Being disciplined, I wanted to take an entry here and in this area here, in between the New York PM session and now, seeing these opportunities and wanting to take them. Just for the risk to reward opportunity, being able to take slightly better risk to reward opportunity here at the 62% level instead of the 1-to-1 level here. So I was able to get an entry here at this level. I'd still take profit down here, but as you can see, a bit more or less. Taking it here with the stop back here would be a better risk to reward than taking it here with the stop back here. But I was able to resist these urges here and stayed disciplined and waited until the appropriate trade window. And this is this trading system is based off of the ICT Silver Bullet system, or Silver Bullet trading methodology. Just my little spin on it, with just being able to see seeing the market through the lens that I view it. More of a using the lower time frame here, but still able to keep an eye on the higher time frames here with this Fibonacci retracement tool, tracking the market structure shifts. About $46 away from a potential entry here. You can see it gave an entry here just previously and is now consolidating just below my entry point here. Ideally, coming into a position wanting to see Bitcoin up in the OTE area, this would be ideal. But this is not the case this morning, so I'll just hold on here until either price is delivered into my entry or price trades away and there is no entry, or potentially price can trade down here near the edge of the Fibonacci range and sweep liquidity here. This would trigger a potential long position here. So I'll trade from equilibrium here down to the edge of the range, or if price action is trading down here at the edge of the range, I'll let price action displace and set up a fair value gap, and then I'll put a Fibonacci retracement on it for a potential long trade. So that would eliminate this market structure shift here, and I would be looking for the market structure shift as well down here to go long. Now we're getting sell side delivery here as price is moving away from my limit target. So what I want to look for is to track price action with the Fibonacci beginning from the most recent market structure shift, likely from the previous session or potentially from the current session. And then I want to confirm that price has a fair value gap and is at equilibrium for the optimal trade entry. So you can see here here's the fair value gap that's been traded into here. Another fair value gap there, but this is the fair value gap that has my attention. There's also one back here. Here. Now we can see price reapproaching my limit entry, now consolidating. So seeing small little fair value gaps here and there, but these are the two that I'm seeing currently, this being the most recent one, or at least that's supporting my current trade idea. And then, as I mentioned, if price sweeps the range, then wait for a fair value gap and displacement. Then it's just setting limit orders, going from there. Again, price near my limit order entry here, and consolidating. So we're 2 minutes into the London Open currently. We'll see if price can be delivered into my limit entry here during my trading window. So my trading window is trading here through the London Open. I'll start my trading session 15 minutes before the London Open and trade within 15 minutes after the London Open. So a little over an hour left in my trading window. If I'm able to take an entry during this time, then I will take that. If I do not receive an entry by the end of my session, I will remove this limit order and then just allow price action to continue and pick up trading on the next session, which would be the New York AM session for me. Price holding here at 111.209. Limit entry 111.266.6. And stop loss 112.0253 and take profit 110.508. Be interesting to see if price action will sweep out this liquidity here. I wonder if the liquidity, there's going to be some buy-side liquidity resting above here. Also, there's going to be buy-side liquidity resting above here. So curious to see if price does redeliver back here to the equilibrium, if price will tap into these order blocks and sweep anything out here, or sweep out any positions. Getting sell side delivery on price. Further sell side delivery in this candle. Some consolidation. Price trading around the 111,200 level. Currently 111,195.7. Now 111,199.9. Now price action being delivered to the buy side here, 111,214.7. More buy side delivery here, price at the 111,220 level. More buy side delivery. Consolidation, buy side, and limit order entry triggered, and liquidity swept here. Any buy side liquidity that was resting above this high here has now been swept, taken out. So limit order entry was 111,266.6. On slippage, was able to get a slightly better entry at 111,267.8. Price still being delivered to the buy side here. Now testing the 111,300 level and currently trading at 111,315.6 and climbing. Buy side delivery with speed. Price trading above the 111,380 level, approaching the 111,400 level. Consolidating. And again testing 111,400. Some sell side delivery. Price Price trading near the 111,350 level. Further sell side delivery. Price trading near the 111,300 level. This high was 111,269. Okay. Just considering if I had set a stop for the high of this candle, but I don't want to get into the habit of trying to select different entry points and exit points and targets. I just want to use the Fibonacci range off of the market structure shift consistently just to choose targets. My targets are just already picked for me, just for consistency and trade management. Which this winds up being a 1-to-1, which is not the, let's say, the most desirable risk to reward ratio, but for consistency purposes, based on my back testing on this particular setup over the past 5 days, or the prior 5 days back testing, coming out at 80%. So with an 80% win rate based on trading off the Fibonacci range on market structure shifts, coming in at 80%, 1-to-1 at 80%, got my attention. So I wanted to deploy this risk management with this particular setup. So even though I'm accustomed to a higher risk to reward ratio, I'm not accustomed to an 80% win rate. So with that in mind, being comfortable, putting my greed aside for longer term consistency and gains. Price still consolidating at the 111,300 level here in this 5-minute candle. What would be ideal in this scenario would be for either this candle or a combination of this candle and the following candle to engulf this previous 5-minute candle that was delivered to the buy side. That would be ideal. And then I would, if that were to happen, I would anticipate all this liquidity here. There are going to be liquidity pools here, liquidity pools here. So there's going to be sell side liquidity, and sell side liquidity that I believe has a high probability of being targeted, and then sell side liquidity here that would also be targeted after these areas were swept. So this is the liquidity raid that I am anticipating and attempting to participate in as price is trading at the 111,350 level. And new 5-minute candle starting to get some sell side delivery in this candle, and now some consolidation. Price trading at 111,330.9. And getting some sell side delivery here. Price appears that it will want to test the 111,320 level. Now consolidating between 111,320 and 111,350 levels. So a lot of trading systems and trade ideas I back test. Some look interesting, back testing to the point where I want to trade them going forward, and then obviously some don't impress as much with back testing, so I don't bring them. I never deploy them. But it's been my experience after deploying any kind of system or any kind of changes that as soon as I enter the market with what I've been back testing, the market sentiment tends to shift, whether or not it's been 2 weeks of back testing or a month of back testing. But with this, the exact same thing could happen here, but I would doubt it just based on the nature of what I understand about price action. This is the most confident I've been in a system, though confidence in a system is worth nothing without the stats to back it up. So right now, just interested in collecting data from this system and testing its effectiveness, forward testing it here in a live trading setting. So price action here, this could be pullback for a long position to break out longer here above this area here to break out longer, or this could be price action or the algorithm delivering price in a manner that could attract potential sellers, and then this candle could proceed to be delivered to the sell side here. So a couple of options on what we can see price act or what to expect of price action here with the current formation. So it would require the current candle here to trade above this previous candle to engulf it, which would take some work and show some conviction towards a long here, but price traded below the previous 5-minute candle, so I would give a higher probability of price continuing to the sell side as opposed to the buy side with this new 5-minute low. But this is just based on my experience with probabilities on price action. Price could engulf the previous 5-minute candle and then consolidate or go long. Could engulf and go short. There's no prescribed way that price action could flow, but based on probabilities, I would anticipate price not engulfing, or at least having a lower probability of engulfing to the long side, as opposed to continuing price delivery to the sell side. And now getting a new 5-minute candle and opening getting some slight sell side delivery here from the previous 5-minute candle, and now consolidation, getting some buy side delivery and more consolidation, and back to sell side delivery and further sell side delivery. Price testing the 111,300 level, potentially putting in a new 5-minute low. Current 5-minute low from the previous candle, 111,284.7. Now testing the previous 5-minute low at the same price, 111,284.7. Price consolidating here, back testing the 111,300 low. Price holding here, 111,297.8. And a new 5-minute low, 111,274.4. Price now at the 111,280 level. Price trading just above my entry and some sell side delivery. And price has traded through my entry, now near the 111,250 level. And consolidating back near the 111,300 level, getting a reaction off of the 111,250 level. See if the current candle and the following candles can deliver price action to the sell side and engulf this candle, and ideally just engulf this price action here and create a market structure shift. This would be ideal. As price is still consolidating near the 111,300 level. So price putting in lower highs and lower lows. Currently. Price holding here at 111,309.9. Now sell side delivery 111,288.7. Now 111,282.8. Getting some sell side delivery with some speed here. Price still holding near the 111,280 level. And consolidating back to the 111,300 level. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price holding here, 111,297, now 111,280 level as sell side is delivered in the current 5-minute candle. See if a new 5-minute low can be put in, and if price action can continue to be delivered to the sell side here for a potential market structure shift. Price consolidating and holding here around the 111,280 level. Now price back consolidating, some buy side delivery, looking to test the 111,300 level. Now back down to the 111,280 level. So price consolidating here between 111,300 and 111,280. The previous 5-minute low is 111,256.9. So ideally, I'd want to see a continuation of price action and price being delivered to the sell side to put in a new 5-minute low from the previous 5-minute candle. To continue this lower highs and lower lows price delivery, and now buy side delivery with speed, price trading above the 111,300 level at 111,315.3. More buy side delivery here. Price trading through the 111,320 level. Now trading near 111,330. And potentially testing the 5-minute high of the previous candle. Getting some consolidation here. Trading closer to the 111,320 level. And buy side delivery. 111,336. High of the previous candle, 111,338.6. So potentially a new 5-minute high. Price action continues to be delivered to the buy side here. Price holding here, and now some sell side delivery. 111,300 is the current level. So price trading near the open of the candle and consolidating. Overall buy side delivery here in this 5-minute candle so far. So this candle with less than 1 minute remaining is currently setting up as an inside candle. So no new 5-minute high or no new 5-minute low as of right now. So price action potentially narrowing here, which could indicate a potential price delivery in one direction or another. Getting some buy side delivery here. Price trading near the 111,320 level. And that candle closes as an inside candle. Now 30 minutes into the London Open, and price testing the highs of the previous 5-minute candle, 111.336.4. So putting in equal highs from the previous candle and then consolidating. Some sell side delivery here, price traded near the 111.320 level. Some sell side delivery here. Price looking to test the 111.300 level. This seems to be the overall consolidation, or at least out of this consolidation here, this 111.300 level seems to be the level that is being traded around here during the open of the London session. Price currently trading at 111.307. And holding. And some buy side delivery. Back to sell side delivery. 111.280, 111.250, 111.240. Sell side delivery with speed, new 5-minute low, and price is now trading below my entry, holding at 111.240.3. And more sell side delivery here as price approaches the market structure shift area. Price consolidating here, and some buy side delivery. Overall sell side delivery in this 5-minute candle so far. Price trading at 111.271.6. And sell side delivery, price testing the 111.250 level. And price consolidating here, back at the 111.300 level. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price still being delivered with lower highs and lower lows overall. New 5-minute candle, price still at the 111.300 level. and sell side delivery 111,266.4. Price now just under my entry, or just below my entry. And just below equilibrium at 111,266.6. Price currently 111,266.4. So price currently in a discounted area. When looking at pricing from a discount or premium, this area here would be considered premium above the equilibrium. This area here would be considered discount here below the equilibrium. So if selling, I want to sell above equilibrium. If buying, I want to buy below equilibrium here. Just trying to get a fair price here at equilibrium or slightly better. So I was able to accomplish that with this entry today. Wanting to get entries into trades, but the compromise of not being too greedy and trying to take an entry deeper into retracement, but also not being too fearful and taking a position before it reaches the equilibrium point. So for me, wanting to get the 79%, I want to get all 79% entries here, but that happens very rarely, as opposed to 50% entries, able to achieve those a lot more consistently. So compromising for consistency and lower risk to reward ratio, as opposed to higher risk to reward ratio and lower consistency. Price being delivered to the sell side here in this candle and currently testing the previous 5-minute low, which is 111,234.5. Price trading just $5 above that at this time. Overall sell side delivery in this 5-minute candle. And new 5-minute low. Price trading near the 111,220 level. And coming closer to this area where there would be a market structure shift. There is a close below this level here. Further sell side delivery here. Price trading near the 111,200 level. So this swing low right here, this is the point that I would like to see price sell below and close below, which is 111,167. So if price can close below that level, then there would be a market structure shift here and a potential for price action to trade back to the short side and potentially sweep out this sell side liquidity here, and eventually and ideally here, sweeping out these sell side delivery areas. Sweeping out these liquidity pools of sell stops. Price now trading through the 111,200 level at 111,197.6. New 5-minute candle. Some consolidation here. some buy side delivery. Price trading near the 111.220 level. And sell side delivery here. Price trading near the 111.180 level. Approaching that swing low, which is at 111.167. If this candle or a following candle can close below that level, then we would have a market structure shift and a potential to continue sell side delivery. More sell side delivery here. Price at 111.170.6. More sell side delivery, and that 111.167 level is traded through. Currently 111.161.2. So if this price action holds or continues, then there will be a market structure shift here. If not, then there's the potential for the market structure shift in the following candle or candles. Some consolidation here. Price trading back near the 111.200 level. So price reacted from selling through the swing low. Now we're coming into the second macro here. Okay, now we just have price fill that gap. So price just filled the gap between this candle, and this candle. You can see the gap has now been filled, so there won't be a fair value gap here in this second candle. So buy side delivery and price here, trading up near the 111.250 level. In between 111.250 and 111.220. Price currently at 111.224.4. Getting some sell side delivery here, 111.215.9. What I would anticipate from this system is basically trades that likely last the session here. Sell side delivery on the current 5-minute candle with speed. Price at 111.80 level. And price trading through another swing low here. price reacting from trading through that swing low with some buy side delivery. Now back at 111, 100 level, 111, 120. Still consolidating here. Some buy side delivery from that reaction, but overall sell side delivery and price still trading below the previous 5-minute candle low. Now trading near the 111, 150 level. And approaching the previous candle low. So any liquidity, any sell side liquidity below this swing low has now been swept. This internal liquidity and any internal liquidity here below this swing low has been swept out as well. So both sell side liquidity areas down here, these internal sell side liquidity areas have been swept. Now looking at these larger and lower sell side liquidity areas here to be swept next, and then ultimately this area here for target. Buy side delivery here. Some consolidation near the high of this 5-minute candle. More buy side delivery, price now trading near the 111, 220 level.